Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divide by this one divide by this one, and number 1 over x squared we keep the same. Next, the square root of x we put into x to the power of 1 over 2. This one I can put into x to the power of negative number 2. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx, we have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. About the constant, you got s, so we have 2x in here. The next one, we put number 1 in here over 1 over 2 plus 1, because n represent about 1 over 2. Now similar for this one. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 9. So I will put number 9 in here. Number 1 in here. So we calculate about this one. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.